Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to resize page on Canva. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to open your Canva, and here in the top left side right here you will find this option, resize and magic switch. So all you have to do is to click on it, but be aware that you cannot use this feature if you do not have Canva Pro. But in this video, I will show you exactly how to resize your page using your Canva Pro or even without having Canva Pro. And first, I will explain the method with Canva Pro. Now, after clicking on resize, all you have to do is to go to custom size. Then here you can customize the size that you want, and you can choose if it's in inches or millimeter or centimeter. But here in my case, I will leave it in pixels, and I'm gonna choose 1280 and 720 just in order to make it HD. Then click on continue. And now you have two options, copy and resize the design. Now, if you click resize the design, it will resize this design that you have. But if you click copy and resize like I'm gonna do right now, copy and resize, it will do like processing. Then it will show you this option. Then click on open. And as you can see, it will show you the second project. Now you have a project with the new resolution and another project from this site right here. Or you can do the same thing and choose the resolution that you want, as you saw. Then click on resize this design, and it will show you that your design has been resized. And from this option right here, you can create a folder and name it with the name that you want in order to put your project on. But this can only be done if you have the Canva Pro version. Now, if you do not have Canva Pro, all you have to do is to click on File, then go to Create New Design, then Custom Size, choose the resolution that you want or type the numbers that you want. I'm going to choose 1080p for example, then click on Create New Design. And now as you can see, you have a new page without anything on it. And all you have to do is to go back to your project, then copy all the things that you have here. Click on copy, then go to your new project and right click here, then click on paste, then click on allow right here. And as you can see here, you have the same elements copied to the new project size that you have. And if you have a different background color, all you have to do is to click on the background, then choose the color that you want to change the background color to. And that is it. As you can see, it's very simple. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.